as a professor, I did that for 7.5 years, and it was great. I created curriculum. I had a mentor professor that worked alongside me, and then I would come up with, the classroom environment, the questions, the productions, the tests, everything. And, you give me Film Connection, curriculum's already done, tests are already done. That takes a lot off my plate personally. And as a teacher mentor, I, just love the experience of working with the Film Connection, because we can really hone the skills of what the student is trying to go for. It makes my job a lot easier being a mentor instead of just a professor for 14 to 20 students. The one-on-one is a much better way to go, and you get a lot more traction. One of the things that I was asked to do at Towson University, the first committee that I was asked to be on, it was a review committee. How are the students doing? What's the production value? Where do we need to grow at the university? And the reason why I actually was asked to do it is because through that assessment committee, they realized they need real work environment. They need professors that are in the industry, not too many years far removed, because a lot of people in this industry, they get a little tired of it, and then they go and let's just go teach. It's funny. It's good. I'm just saying that's usually the progression. So in reversing that, you're saying, all right, so the university is saying real world work is very much needed. So you got the Film Connection that is doing that already. And so it's really good. So I think the universities are catching up, and Film Connection's already there, putting real working producers, writers, directors, you name it, XYZ, in front of these students, mentoring them. Holy moly, that's awesome.